Right. So, yeah, this will be a bit different from what all you guys are used to. What we've got, it's a Voltra N171, no, N174 Directs or Smart Touch. Behind us we've got a Case LB333 4-string square Baler. And the traffic lights are going to be a pain in the butt. Yeah, so bit different from the norm. This is a new customer. He does know about the whole YouTube thing. That's how he found me. Normally I wouldn't have gone working with somebody on the back of it, them know me from YouTube, but I do know the guy, used to do work indirectly for the guy many years ago. That's the only reason I've gone with him. His gear's nice. It's all pretty new, pretty nice shiny gear. I'm not getting rid of anyone. This is just a bit of a extra sort of, you know, because I didn't think I was busy enough. So yeah, it's quite different work and it'll be quite interesting stuff, I think. But we'll see how we go on with it. Yeah, there's going to be a lot, I think, of what he does that I won't be able to film, but say la vie. I had actually made another video for this week. Yeah, things on my own side with the topper haven't been going well. I shall now pass you over to yesterday me to explain and show you all of what's going on. This video couldn't go up because yeah, video whilst angry requires a lot of editing. So yeah, here's past angry me. Probably thumbs up today. On the front of the topper, no, I've not gone and bought a Deutz. This is my mate's tractor. Yeah, the Smurf, she had that problem with the light coming up on the dash, which was to do with the low pressure oil pump. Basically the pump's tired. She has actually now clocked over 10,000 hours. So yeah, the trouble with that low pressure pump, it's the one that deals with the clutch packs. Turn around, you can have a look at the nice shiny Deutz. It controls the clutch packs in the gearbox. It controls the four-wheel drive and a few other bits and bobs. But the pump itself is located right at the back of the gearbox. So it's a split tractor. The pump's I think 150 quid, something like that. So it's not dear, but the work involved is. Finish off this one, which is where the roller went last time when I hadn't built it up properly enough. You know, that was my fault. Yeah, this is the reason why I'm talking and doing this instead of doing it while we go around the field, because basically my day now is done. My truck's on my mate's yard where I've got to run this back to, and you know what, I'm calling it a day. I say it's exactly where it had gone last time. I'm gonna have to do some real head scratching to try and figure out how to put some extra strength in there, because it's oh crap, I've just remembered how I built this. and I can't simply just hack that off there. I really am biting my tongue for not swearing at this point. As you guys will probably remember last week, me saying, you know, it was always my dream to be a small contractor, and that was the start of it. Well, the fact I'm stood in a field with a broken machine that belongs to me attached to the tractor that doesn't belong to me, hey, it's a step backwards, isn't it? It is a step backwards. Yeah, things were going well. We'd had a problem with, I'll show you down here. I'm not quite sure if it's a spring or what, but if you look in there, that collar that slides back, for those people that knows PTOs, there's something wrong in there, and it's come off. Well, it came off the tractor twice. That's what the second time it's as I was spewing it across and ended up damaging the guard. So I've ended up cutting that off. It's fitted back okay. I'm quite happy with that, and hopefully that will stop that happening again. It does make it a bit more of a pain to get off the tractor. So yeah, there's that that's gone wrong as well. We had a lot of oil leaks, so you can see it getting quite wet around here. That, thankfully, touch wood, just turned out to be, they just needed a tweak of a Titan. So I mean, yeah, he wasn't a very happy bunny, was he? I say, oh, it's, you know, it is what it is. Yes, things have gone wrong. It's build it back up, get it back going. The work's there for it. There's a genuine market there for it. The topper was a good idea. It's just, you know, I'm not a rich man. You know, I'm not got money falling out of my pockets, and I don't want to go down the finance route. So this is where it leads me. Yes, I've got some fiddling to do, but I enjoy tinkering. I'm mechanically minded. I enjoy fabrication and the challenge. It's all it is. It will become right. It will become useful, and it will earn me money. So, what's the script with the fact that the rain is absolutely bouncing off the windscreen, and I'm turning out with a square baler. The baler isn't going for going out to work. I'm taking it somewhere for it to have a little bit of a fiddle. I thought I'd bring you along for the ride. Yeah, it's been a good while. I did have indirectly a lot of work around square balers. I didn't run them myself, but you know, I've worked around them for a good few years. Ah, that's a big puddle. And sat nav to try and tell me where to go, where I already know where I'm going. Yeah, there's a lot of water around here today. I've already been soaked through the skin to the point that I've run my hat out once today. I'm hoping not to repeat it. So yeah, Baler's just having going to have a little bit of a tweak and a tinker. Yeah. How much of this I use and how much of it I edit out, I don't know, but I'm sure these are supposed to hold on a hill, but I've got a big square baler behind me. I know the car behind me is probably pretty close to the back of me. So I suppose talk what I think about the tractor. Well, let's start with what the tractor is. Say it's an M174 direct. Shush 'em. Talking woman. Which puts it 4-cylinder. Can't just remember the engine size, but it's 4-cylinder, producing near as makes no difference, 200 horse, driving through a CVT transmission. I like it. It's power. You've got the power there, but you've also got it in a nice light package. I mean, it's not the tractor that you'd go hitch up to like a Barnstad top down or something, but like it runs a pair, well, not this one, the sister to it runs a pair of twin motors, spot on. You've got the power to drive the mower sensibly with the manoeuvrability to keep at tight headland turns. They've got loaders for them. Again, because they are such a short tractor with a good steering lock, even though we're running 600s on the front, 650 rears, it's a very manoeuvrable loader tractor. I mean, you can tell they're dragging this Baler about well within the comfort of it. Right, now we have some fun and games. I'm still trying to get used to CVT gearboxes. I say I've always been a power shift man. I have just, power shift and semi-power shift. I was brought up on like power commands, range commands, the ultra command in mine, which is basically the same as power commands. Rough. So yeah, I really have had next to no dealings with CVTs. And the fact that you've got all the setup and all that, and these tractors are sort of a tractor for one man to get used to and figure out how to drive. But it is nice, like on a junction like this, where you've got a decent load behind you, and you don't need to worry about what gear you're in, what slope you're on, whether you're going to set off. I know for a fact when this car disappeared and there's a gap, I can put my foot down and we'll go. Why are we going backwards? Also, why is that axle locked? Ah, so it's locked, yeah. Just not pull the side off. Oh, that's not a big enough gap for me. Oh, come on, you pair, I could have gone. I'm going. Go on, girl. Feet up. We're off. I don't like that it sort of does like a range change. It's so much. Yeah, it'd be better if it just drove. So, yeah, there's a bit of a look at something new. I'm hoping there'll be quite a lot more exciting times to come with this guy. Look at how I'm going with contracting in my own rights. Yeah, that's good. Been going well, hasn't it? Just it's all a challenge. It's all a learning curve. We'll get it right, and we'll be going on that. So I'm now going to pass you back to past Angry Me for the final ending of, W thumbs up and all that regarding the video. Take care, guys, and I shall see you next week. Right, it's not past HS Ag because he was just, well, he wasn't a happy bloke, was he?
You know, and this is a happy place. So he's been banned. He's been banned until he can cheer up. So you have instead, if I'm going to sit up there, yes, you have instead future HS Ag, which is still past because you're watching it, but it's, you get the gist of it, don't you? So, yes, we just won't say any more on it, eh? So we're going to finish this video off here. So don't forget, it's actually, considering what I'm doing today, not that much of a grubby thumbs up. We're on towing a pipe around, making the countryside smell. So yeah, don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a grubby thumbs up. If you do enjoy watching these videos, like I said, down there, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to flick that little bell, and then you'll get a notification of videos which come up every Sunday, 6 o'clock in the morning. Like I said, we have also got the shop, that's my wife's shop. She's selling handmade metal dog tags, cat tags, there's a few little key rings. We've got the HS Ag grubby thumbs up key ring, which will be, well, it'll be here. We were also looking into, and we're pretty close to unleashing a range of t-shirts which will look something like this. We'll have the nice logo here. They will be decent quality, and you can see from the stitching there, these aren't cheap tacky 4 feet Eastern 5 minutes look naff. These are real nice quality stuff. We've also got the postcards on there, which is, you get yourself a pack of 3 postcards of the glorious Smurf looking in all her glory. So that is it. Thank you for watching this video. Sorry I've been a grumpy bugger, and we shall see you next week.